the C, and now we've got C major 7 sharp 5. Okay. So that's kind of an idea of mixing a few different kinds of forms. There I mixed major 7 and major 6, 7, and major 7 sharp 5. But let's do this slow. We're going to do C7 with a level 1 as well. Here's dominant 7. Remember that minor arpeggio we did? Let's flat the 5. Root, 3rd, 5th. Root, 3rd, 5th. And now we've got diminished. Right? And now let's add C. C7. So it's 3, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6. That's adding the 6 to it, but okay. So then the next obvious choice is melodic minor up a 5th from D, so that's A melodic minor. But you can also call it D Lydian flat 7. And this is what the notes are. We have D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C natural, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C, and D. And that's going to give us a 9, but also a sharp 11. And if we do all the tones, it's 9, sharp 11, 13. Another choice would be whole tone, and the whole tone scale is just comprised of whole tones, and we're going to have it's kind of a symmetrical shape, so it's going to look like this: D, E, F sharp, G sharp, B flat or A sharp, C, D, E, F sharp. And then we have G sharp, A sharp, and C. And you could also look at that as B flat. You can look at this as also A flat in harmonics. So it gives you that kind of sound, which is also a sharp 11 kind of sound. Once again, we're going to want to hit that D, F sharp, and C. D, F sharp, and C. We don't have the A because it's A or A flat or A sharp, or if you want to look at it as G sharp, B flat, you can. But yeah, we don't have the 5th tone that time around. So we have to land on different chord tones. So now let's try E flat major 7. Now, inherently, the chord tones that you can use best over that E flat chord is E flat major 7, E flat major 9, sharp 11, and then 6/9 sharp 11, or E flat major 13 sharp 11. Those are all the pleasant sounds that you can get from that E flat. Okay. And then once again, if I were to attack this tune and say, okay, what am I thinking? What am I going to do? I got to do my homework, right? So I'm going to say, okay, pentatonic. I got to go with that. So pentatonic, first sound I do is kind of an E flat 6/9 sound, which is, and I'll put it on the freeze pedal again. It has all those colors in it. Okay, so it gives you an E flat 6/9 sound, and that's pentatonic from the 6th of the chord. So if you go up major 6th, you'll get C minor pentatonic, and that's what gives you that sound. Now, let's say you don't want to play that sound, you know, against that chord. Let's say you want to play more of this major 7th sound, okay? Okay, well, you can. You play pentatonic from the 3rd, which is G minor pentatonic. And that gives you a really nice sound. And, you know, what kind of guys used it? Well, Wes Montgomery did, George Benson, and Pat Martino, so you'd be in good company. So, I'm going to show you the half step, whole step diminished scale in A, and that could also be B, whole step, half step, B flat, whole step, half step. Once again, A, half step, whole step, B flat, whole step, half step. Here we go. That scale could be played over an A7 altered. I'm playing there a flat 9 13 chord. So I would try experimenting that over dominant 7th chords and seeing how that would be. Let me try another one in this series. This is the last one in this series. Alan Holsworth does that with 4 fingers, but you can try it with 3. Try both and see what you'd like. Alan Holsworth is a master of the diminished scale. He likes jumbling the notes a lot with it. That's another thing you can do and experiment with.